Welcome back to Boundary Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2022 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands in the color gray. Starting up front here, of course, we have your LED headlamps, daytime running lights, and your fog lights that are down below, as well as having that Bronco logo the whole way across the front grille. Underneath the hood here, you will find a 2-liter EcoBoost engine. Down here, we have the 17-inch alloy wheels. On the side, you will find your Badlands logo. Moving along, you've got the roof rails on top of the vehicle here. Approaching the back, you have two different things you'll find on the rear hatch here. First of all, we have a separate glass panel up top, and then we have the rest of the liftgate itself down below. So in order to activate that, you have two different triggers, glass on the left, door on the right. Press the glass button. You'll be able to use this little handle underneath of the rear windshield wiper to lift it up, get quick, easy access inside of here. Then just bring it down, make sure it's locked all the way. Then you can open the rest of the door itself with the door button, press and lift. You can take a look inside of here. Lots of texturing in order to ensure that anything in the back here isn't slipping and sliding around. You've got power adjusters on the right hand side, as well as that Bronco light there as well. Then to close it up, just reach up top and you can pull it down, pop it back into place. Take a look at the inside in the back seat area. In here, you'll find that we have the black and brown leather for the seat material. You do have an armrest / cup holder for your rear passengers. Nice zippered storage in the back of the seats here, and more power adapters down below. Bronco logo on those rubberized floor mats. Now, might have been able to see here, you can see that there are some numbers on the side here, so you have your entry code you can put in. You also have keyless entry. With the handle, you can see it based off these little ridges on there. Opening it up, in the door, we have your power lock system up top, all of your window controls and side mirror controls. We also have one of your multiple B&O audio sound speakers. Inside of the vehicle itself, first of all, we've got that sunroof up top. Then again, we have the black and brown leather with the Bronco logo that is stamped into it. You've got your power adjustments for the seats, as well as having that Bronco logo inside the door. Taking a look on the left is where you have your power tailgate release. Then you have all of your headlamp controls and your brightness. Taking a look at your steering wheel, up top you have your standard controls. You have controls for your sound system and some of your hands-free communication on the left, more of them on the right, and then we have controls for the dash itself there. In the middle up top, you have one of your B&O sound speakers there, then your information center. Everything from your date and your time, outside temperature, sound, clock, Bluetooth, phone connection, FORDPASS, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, display controls. You've got valet mode, all of your different apps that you can find in here or add yourself, phone connectivity itself, and then the audio for all of your sources. You go into here, AM, FM, satellite radio, and of course Bluetooth, which if you connect your phone, can connect to your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Down below you have the button controls in themselves, four-way in the middle, automatic start-stop, volume, tune button, nice storage space underneath, push start ignition to the left. Under there, dual climate control for you and your front passenger. Underneath, storage space. On the left, you've got wireless charging pad, more charger adapters in the right. Then in the center, cup holder spaces. You have that rotary gear dial, goat modes, and terrain management in there as well. Thank you again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2022 Ford Bronco Sport. It is located here at Boundary Ford at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Alberta, the border city. If you're looking for information, reach out to our team or follow the links in our description.